Hello students, most welcome to all of you. I hope you all are very well and your study is going in a suitable way. As you are knowing, I care you very much, and in that reference, one or two simple questions asked by one good student of your class. So I have decided to explain such problems in a simple and easier way. And the question is, children, if hemoglobin contains 0.33% of iron, then the minimum molecular weight of hemoglobin will be. Four options are given, that is first, second, third and fourth. So due to proper solution you have to find which will be the correct answer. And it is a tricky question, just I telling you simple explanation or simple solution. And second question is the molality. Listen sincerely, the question is molality, not molarity. The molality of 9.8% weight by weight or mass by mass sulfuric solution each. The four options are given, that is first, second, third or fourth. Which is correct? You have to find it. So in order to find your solution, let's see with the first question. If hemoglobin contains 0.33% of iron, then the minimum molecular weight of hemoglobin will be. Among these, which option is correct? You have to find. So how it will be find? So listen, as from your previous knowledge, I hope you are knowing that hemoglobin is a complex or coordination compound. Alright, and it's one of the important constituent of hemoglobin is iron. So in this hemoglobin, the atomic mass of iron which is present in hemoglobin is just equal to atomic mass of iron. Means one atom of iron will correspond to atomic mass of iron. Listen, solution of first question. One atom of iron will correspond to atomic mass of iron, that is 56 U. As you are knowing, U is a unified mass or atomic mass which represents atomic mass of the concerned element. So according to the question, children, 0.33% of iron, hemoglobin contains 0.33% of iron, means in the content of hemoglobin the amount of iron is 0.33%. So you have to find that what will be the minimum molecular weight of hemoglobin. So in order to find molecular weight, what you have to do? Listen, since 0.33 part of iron is corresponds to mass of hemoglobin, and that is 100 U or 100 part. Okay, according to the question, that is 0.33 part of iron is correspond to mass of hemoglobin will be either 100 U or 100 part. This is the meaning of and that point is deducted due to the percentile or percentage. So 100 U or 100 part. So 1 part of hemoglobin will correspond to what? That is 100 upon 0.33 U. Is it? So that may be written as, that is 10 to the power, that may be written as 1 into 10 to the power 2 divided by 33. Sorry, 0.33. Or if you are removing decimal, this can be written as 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power 2 divided by 33. Is it children? So that may be written as 10 to the power 1 into 10 to the power 4, 1 into 10 to the power 4 divided by 33. Okay? So its atomic mass of iron, that is 56 part. So according to the question, 56 part of iron is correspond to what? Correspond to mass of hemoglobin will be what? That will be 1 into 56 divided by 33 into 10 to the power 4. Is it? If you divide 56 by 33, perhaps the value will come 1.69697 into 10 to the power 4 U. Okay? If you divide 56 by 33, the value of this will come 1.69697 into 10 to the power 4 U, and if you multiply this 10 to the power 4, this will come 169.7 U. So in this option, the option C will be the correct. Alright? So sincerely listen how this question will solve. First, you go to the percentage of iron in hemoglobin is this one. So on this basis you can find, and this will be the molecular mass of will be hemoglobin. H stands for hemoglobin. So U is its unit. So molecular mass of, minimum molecular mass of hemoglobin will be 16,969.7 U. Okay? So this is the first answer. Now come on the second question. Simply you have to go through the lectures which I have provided you through a YouTube channel. So don't try to left the channel. That is very important and very essential for you. So everyone must read the YTube channels sincerely, then you have no trouble in finding the solution of any type of problem, not concerned to only this. Second question, come on. The molality of 9.8% weight by weight or H2SO4 solution is, you have to find that. As children, you are knowing the definition of molality. Molality can be defined as the number of moles of the solute present in 1 kilogram of the solvent is called molality of the solution. Listen once more. Molality can be defined as, it can be defined as the number of moles of solute present in 1 kilogram of the solvent, termed molality, designated by small m, and mathematically it can be given as, that is small w, that is capital M upon capital W in kg. So this is the mathematical expression for molality, where small w is the mass or weight of the solute, this capital M is the molecular mass of the solute, and capital W is the weight of solvent in kilogram. So according to this question, children, 9.8% weight by weight means amount of sulfuric acid is 9.8 gram, and you are knowing that molecular mass of sulfuric acid is 98. Alright? So in this formula these two are known. You have to find weight of solvent. So in this 9.8% weight HH4 solution. The 9.8 gram is the sulfuric acid. It is sulfuric acid. Then rest 100 minus this will be the weight of solvent, whatever the solvent, either water or any other maybe. So weight of solvent. So weight of solvent. Suppose solvent is water here. So that can be found by deducting this minus 100. So 100 minus 9.8. If you deduct, the approximate value may come near about 90.2 gram. Okay. But according to the question, according to the formula, this amount, weight of solvent or mass of solvent should be in kilogram. So convert this gram into kilogram by dividing 1000. So in place of gram, that become kilogram. So now put these values in this formula. You will get the molarity of the sulfuric acid in the given content. So put this formula. So small m is what is small w? 9.8. Molecular mass of sulfuric acid 98. Weight of solvent in kilogram. So that is 90.2 divided by 1000. From where 1000 coming? We are just putting this gram weight into kilogram. So you are knowing 1 kilogram is 1000 gram. So by dividing 1000, it coming into kilogram. So that can be written as 9.8 upon 98 into 1000 upon 90.2. Can we write it in there? Can be. So this is cancelled out. That is 9.8 divided by 10. And this 10 is this one cancel out. So that become what? 100 divided by 90.2. So 100 divided 90.2. So its value approximately may come, that is 1.10 em. So which is, now go through your options, that is 2 m, second 1 m, 1.5 m and 0.5 m. So no one is existing here. So in this question, none of the option is correct. You can take just approximate value. So this 1.10 can be considered as 1.0 m. In that case, that is second option may be the correct. But children, I wonder how your teachers are, that is cheapers and nonsense, without examining the answer, just they typing the questions. I wonder, without examining, just they are typing the question. Actually, through calculation, the value is coming 1.10, but no option is here. So in that case, you have to take approximate value. So here 1 m is there, so 1.0, so this may be, but correct answer will be 1.10. And if you are putting here no one is correct, you should get maximum. Alright, so this is, children, all about these two numericals. So these are very tricky and tough one, and go through the easier manner. And as you are knowing, I always try to provide you best and simplest solution of any question. So try to solve similar question, other similar question. If not comes, you can ask. So children, this is all about these numericals. All the best. Thank you very much. Have a good day.